In this video, I will walk you through the most effective ways to solve the frustrating confirm your identity prompt on Facebook Messenger. This issue usually pops up when the platform detects a security risk or a login from an unfamiliar device, effectively locking you out of sending messages. The first thing you should try is checking your main Facebook app settings because the two platforms are deeply connected. Navigate to your security and login settings and look for the two-factor authentication option. Sometimes simply turning this off and then back on can refresh your session and clear the bug. Another common fix involves clearing the cache and data for the Messenger app in your phone's settings. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted and causing navigation errors. If you are on an iPhone, you might need to offload the app and reinstall it to achieve the same result. You should also ensure that your primary email and phone number are verified in your account center. Facebook often triggers this identity check because it needs a confirmed destination to send a security code. If you have been using a VPN, try turning it off as a temporary measure because changing your IP address frequently can look suspicious to the automated security systems.